Okay, so the first method that we're going to examine is the concat method. So what this one does is it'll take the first array and concatenate it to the second array. So here we have actually three arrays, one with the name of hobbits, one with the name of wizards, and one with the name of warriors. We're going to join all those together into one. You could do it with two, you could do it with three or more. I'm going to give you an example of three. So what this actually does is it takes the hobbits and then it adds the wizards to it. And then after that, it takes the result of the hobbits and the wizards, which will create its own array, and then adds to it the warriors. So you can think of these methods as returning a result. And if you chain them, then you're going to modify the result of your result. And you can keep that going as many times as you want. So the best way to show you this is just to give you an example. So let's copy this section and come over here to your console and paste it in. And now we can see that we have our array of hobbits in our console, our array of wizards, and our array of warriors. So let's take the hobbits and add to them the wizards. You can see that produced a new array, which is the same as hobbits, but now with wizards. So just took the two and made it into one. And we can do the same with warriors. Now this time I took the hobbits array and concatenated on the warriors, but you can see that this list does not have the name Gandalf in it. If we wanted to do that, we could, and we can do this in any order we want. Then we could do wizards. And you can see it now added the wizards to the end. Or if we wanted, we could do it the other way, and it would be essentially the same result, just sorted in a different order. And we'll get to the sort method in a later tutorial. Now you can see Gandalf's still there, but he's in the middle. Another way to do this is we could, instead of calling it twice, we could just comma separate. Now, so what this actually does is it does the operation and then returns the result. So we could set that result equal to variable, let's call it fellowship. And let's pick this one. Actually, let's write out. And now if we echo out fellowship, that's the same thing. So now we have this new array, which is a concatenation of all of the other arrays which we passed in.